For the cost of one replacement die from JD2, you can purchase a whole set on Amazon of these knockoff ones, but the problem is they're the wrong size. So the factory dies are at 940 thousandths, and they've got about 3 thousandths play. The replacements are 875, they're 7/8 dies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn these down on the lathe, and then another issue is these are positively placed with a set screw, which isn't a very good design, and there's no flat spot on our driver. What I need to do is convert it to this notch so that when it receives it, it locks it in. So I've got one here that I've made. I've turned it down now to the correct size, and we've got a relief cut into it so it'll actually drop and lock in, and I can use these cheaper ones now
to make cool